Class 176 Printers. So printers provide record of data on a paper. They are usually used with computers. Now, but some printers are directly connected to the, say, digital camera or some memory card. Directly they can print, they can receive data from digital camera. No need of computers. But usually printers get data from computers. Main classification is two types, say impact and non-impact. Impact means the printer head will touch the paper by force. Example, dot matrix printer. You will be hearing sound. Okay, so it touches there. Okay, non-impact means it will not touch. For example, inkjet printer. Dot matrix printer is a impact type. Inkjet printer, laser printer. Ink is sprayed on the paper. In laser printer, laser beam charges a drum and then image is formed, which we will study later. And printers can also be classified as monochrome printer, means black and white, only one color, black or blue or any one color. And also color printer. Some printers today have all in one or many in one. One printer today has copier, scanner, as well as some have both fax also. Today, fax machines are becoming less important because of elect- um, uh, advanced technologies, but still they are in use. So next we will see dot matrix printer. See, there is a drum or roller, okay, on which paper moves. Okay, and this is a ribbon. Ribbon means a tape which has ink on it, and this is a pin. You can say this is a head. Okay, means actually a dot. Okay, now here this is a coil. Okay, this is a magnetic material. There is a coil here. When you give supply to the coil, this armature, this is an armature here. Okay, say iron piece. When coil current is given to the coil, this will attract this armature. When this is attracted, pin will strike the ribbon, and ribbon will touch the paper, and a dot will be formed on the spot where the pin has touched. In this way, an image of dot is produced. This is called as dot matrix printer because each alphabet or number will be provided by like dots. That will be is not shown here. Okay, it will be explained in the class. Okay, you can see here, say dot matrix here. See three. Okay, for one alphabet, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits, 7 dots by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. It will be usually 5 by 7. See 5 by 7. This is a 5 by 7 dot matrix display. Okay, here you can see 5. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots in the x direction, and in the y direction horizontal and vertical you have seven dots. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So these in head there will be 5 into 7. 35 pins will be there in the rectangular type. Okay. Now for each and every pin there will be a separate coil. That when that particular coil is energized, that particular pin will strike here, making a mark of dot. Okay, this is in the form of matrix 5 by 7, hence called as dot matrix printer. Okay, fine. It is cheap. Dot matrix printers are cheap because ribbons are used and the ink can be used multiple times. The ribbon can be again filled with ink and then just the pin is going to hit on the ribbon. Okay, so drum will be moving. Okay, so paper also will be moving. Sorry, drum will be fixed, paper will be moving or whatever it is, maybe however it is. Actually, drum will be moving and paper will be held tightly. Okay, maybe some small error. Anyhow, you should know that. You can check yourself by other sources also.